Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make scrambled eggs on a Blackstone griddle. First, crack 6 large eggs into a bowl. Add 2 tablespoons of milk, a pinch of salt, and a dash of pepper. Whisk everything together until the yolks and whites are fully combined and slightly frothy. Next, preheat your griddle to a medium-low setting, about 300 degrees Fahrenheit, and lightly grease the surface with butter or oil. Once your griddle is ready, pour the whisked egg mixture directly onto the hot surface. Don't spread them too thin, let them naturally form a layer. Allow the eggs to set for about 15 to 20 seconds without touching them. This initial setting helps create those lovely, soft curds. Then, using a wide, flat spatula, gently push the cooked edges of the eggs towards the center of the griddle. Keep repeating the folding and pushing motion, moving the less cooked egg from the top to the bottom. This technique helps create those desirable, soft, fluffy curds. Cook the eggs until they are mostly set but still appear slightly moist. This usually takes about 2 to 3 minutes. Remember, the key to perfect scrambled eggs is to avoid overcooking them, which can lead to a dry, rubbery texture. As soon as your scrambled eggs reach that perfect, slightly moist consistency, remove them from the griddle and serve them immediately. They pair wonderfully with toast, bacon, or your favorite breakfast sides. For easy cleanup, scrape any remaining egg residue off the griddle while it's still warm. Then, wipe it down and reseason as needed. Also, check the description for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.